Hey, what's going on YouTube? Brian back at it with Rust and Beards. This episode, we're going to install shocks on my 1994 F-150 that I have called Frank the Ford. It's been long overdue on this truck, and I'm going to be running these Rock Auto shocks, nothing but the best FCS shocks. They are the cheapest shocks you can get for these trucks. Right around $12 or $14. I don't really remember. Thank goodness it's a four-wheel drive truck. I'm not even gonna, hopefully, not even gonna lift it up. I'm just gonna turn the wheels, get in there, get it knocked out. This has been the nicest day that we've had for a couple of weeks. Hopefully it'll allow me to do that before it gets too dark. So let's get to it. So some of you may be asking, why exactly am I running these cheap shocks instead of like a better named brand? Well, part of it is because it's close to Christmas and I'm not made of money. So these should last me hopefully at least a year or two before I've got to replace them again. Not terrible reviews, especially for the price. See, that's going to be the back shock. These two are the back shocks. These two are the front shocks. And the other thing is, I know that this old truck needs some suspension work. It's definitely a little jiggly. When you drive, it's, does that number. So it's hard for me to determine by driving it exactly what I need, what's loose. Is it just the shocks? Hopefully these will tighten things up a little bit where I can actually tell like what is actually needing to be replaced other than just the shocks. So yeah, we'll see, what this does for the ride quality, and then kind of go from there. Like I mentioned in other videos, I know it needs radius arm, rear radius arm bushing, maybe other bushings. Kind of getting a whiff of a coolant as I sit here in front of the radiator, so I need to pop the hood and see if I've got a coolant leak. I've had a tiny leak somewhere in the past, because I've had to just, I'd top off the coolant every once in a blue moon. So we might have to see what's going on with that real quick before this video ends. All right, let me get my tools together and knock this out real quick. All right, guys. So there you have it. All 4 shocks are in. That one on that one corner of the front passenger side kind of gave me some fits. I'm going to call this video. I'm going to go test drive this truck. I'm not going to take you guys along just because it's already getting dark. So probably not going to see much. I don't even know what you're going to be able to see of me right now. So I hope y'all have a great week. And we're going to pick up on some other little projects on this thing here in the next coming days and or weeks. And yeah, see you then. Also, guys, subscribe. Do it. Give me a Christmas present. Subscribe. Share. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Peace. Thanks. Bye.